Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So couple of weeks ago I placed order on Nykaa and I asked you guys on my Instagram that do you want to see a Nykaa haul, and all of you said yes, so here it is. Also 50% of the stuff that I have bought is skincare and 50% is makeup. Typically I would have just gone for makeup. This time I felt like I need to invest a bit more into skincare. So I think I'm going to start with skincare first and then I'll move on to makeup like a sweet little dessert at the end. Okay, so the first thing that I bought is this M Caffeine Naked and Raw Body Polishing Oil. Now I have seen Mars talk about body oils like all the time. So when I saw this on Nykaa, I had to get it. And firstly, it smells exactly like the Copyco candy, and secondly what I found really intriguing was that it has these coffee beans floating on top, and this is a glass bottle which looks luxurious in person. I don't think it's looking that good on camera, and I just opened it before filming, but now I can see that the oil has spilled already and the nozzle is tight, so I don't think this is travel friendly. So yeah, okay, so the next product that I bought is this M Caffeine Naked and Raw Body Scrub. Now this is a restock. I completely finished my old one. Now I don't extremely love this scrub, but I think it's a good scrub to have. Like, the quantity is good enough, it will last you for a really long time, and I feel like you have more control over the product. I mean, you know how some people like their scrub to be a bit harsh, or some people like their scrub to be a bit gentle. With this, I think you can control that. If you want your scrub to be harsh, you can take a little extra than usual. So yeah, that is why I like it. Now it's really funny because I bought one more body scrub. Now this one is from Dove. It's their exfoliating body polish, and this is the pink one. So when I saw this on Nykaa, I was like, this product actually exists, because I have never seen anyone on internet talk about this, and there were like very few reviews only. So I decided to buy it out of curiosity, and oh my god, it smells so delicious, and it has like a creamy texture, if you can see, and it looks yummy, it smells yummy. I'm really looking forward to try it. I mean, I know I bought 2 body scrubs, but you know, I'm really free at the moment and I don't really mind taking extra long showers. Like, you know, I might as well look after my skin. So the next thing that I bought is this Love Beauty and Planet body lotion. I have tried the rose and muru muru shower gel and the coconut shower gel, and I love the smell of both of them. So I really wanted to give the body lotion a try, and I bought it in lavender. It's a different variant. I have never tried this, so I'm really looking forward to use it. The next thing that I bought is the Nykaa Skin Potion 24 karat gold facial oil. Now I'm going to tell you a quick story that I used to hate facial oils before, but 3 months ago I bought the Indulge Squalane oil and I have been hooked to it ever since. I love that stuff, and that is why I wanted to give another facial oil a try, and I decided to go for it. Now this is a bit expensive than their other facial oils, and I have been using it for like last 5 days, and to be honest, I don't really see a difference. Like, when I started using Squalane oil, I was glowing in 3 days, but with this I don't really see a difference. Maybe it's too soon to tell. And secondly, it's like very oily. I don't see myself using it underneath my makeup because I feel like my makeup would slip around. On the other hand, the Squalane oil is not really oily. I can use it beneath my makeup, but with this I don't see that happening. I think I'll incorporate this in my nighttime routine. Next, I got 2 products from Plum. So the first one is a toner. I really wanted to buy some affordable toner, and it had like really good reviews. I think it has like 2 variants, and I bought the chamomile and the white tea one, which is this like orange one, and I haven't tried it out yet, but I'm really looking forward to try it. So the next thing that I bought from Plum is their Grapeseed Sea Buckthorn Nutri-Plenish Face Mist. I hope I'm saying that right. Now, I have never used facial mist before. This is supposed to be good for combinational to dry skin, and I have combinational to dry skin. That's why I bought it. So that was all for the skincare. Let's move on to makeup. So the first thing that I bought in makeup is this Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. Now I haven't opened it yet. If you know Kathleen Lights, then you know that she raves about this foundation. So I really wanted to give it a try, and I bought it in the shade medium warm. By the way, the shade range of this foundation sucks. There were like 5 shades. I have a warm undertone, and this shade is called medium warm, so I decided to go for it. The bottle looks really nice though. and it has this huge doe foot applicator which I'm really interested to try. I have never used anything with this huge doe foot applicator. The next product that I got is the Rimmel Match Perfection foundation. Now they had like 4 different variants of foundation and this one had the best reviews, so I decided to go for it, and I bought it in the shade 303 True Nude, which I feel like it's a bit darker than my skin tone, but I think I can make it work by mixing it into some different foundations. So I think I'm going to review all the skincare stuff that I have bought on my Insta stories, and I think I'm going to use the makeup stuff that I bought in my upcoming YouTube videos. So make sure you subscribe me on my YouTube channel and you follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle down below. So another restock that I have is this Flower Beauty Lash Warrior mascara. Now if you have seen my old videos or if you have seen my IGTV videos, you must have seen me use this a lot. I love this mascara. Like, trust me, I have tried out so many different mascaras. I have tried the best of drugstore, the best of high-end, and this is I think the first mascara which I have repurchased for the 3rd time. I don't know, it's so beautiful. It's like jet black, it curls your lashes, and I mean this is such a beautiful mascara. If you would ask me like my one top favorite mascara, this is it. So beautiful, it's so pretty. Trust me, you won't regret this. Now I'm really scared to play with glitter when it comes to eyeshadow, and that is why I wanted a liquid glitter. So I decided to buy this Mirrorholic Liquid Eyes. It's from Etude House and it is in the shade PK002, and this one retailed for 900 rupees, but it was on 50% off, so I bought it for 450 rupees, and I'm really excited to try it out. I mean, who does not love glitter, right? Can you see? It looks so pretty, man. It's beautiful. So the next product that I bought is this Sugar Blush. It was like super affordable. It retails for 349 rupees if I'm not wrong. The quantity is quite less, but how much do we use a blush? Lately I have been more into like corally, peachy sort of shades, and that is why I decided to go for the shade Coral Climax. And now that I'm looking at this shade, it's really intimidating just because it's like a reddish orange color, but you know, you can never tell until you try. So I think I'm going to give it a fair shot. I'm not going to speak too soon. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to try this out as well. Most of the products that I bought are like new purchases, like I have never tried them before, so I'm really excited to try new things out. So the next product that I bought is this Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD lipstick. I already have 4 lipsticks from this range and I love this range, and when I saw this shade I was really excited. Now I don't know how to describe it. It's like dark mauvey plum sort of shade with like grey undertones to it. So yeah, so the next product that I bought is the PAC Master Glow highlighter, and this is what it looks like, and I'm going to quickly swatch it on my hand. By the way, I bought it in the shade Sweet Talk. I have used their baked highlighters before, and back then I didn't used to wear a full face of makeup, so they used to look a lot extra on my face. But when I saw this, I feel like it's a very good highlighter for everyday use because it is not very blinding and it gives you that nice healthy sheen on your face, which I think is amazing, and I'm really excited to try it out. I bought the MAC single eyeshadow. This is in the shade Chrome Yellow. Now I was looking for a good yellow eyeshadow for the longest time. I bought a NYX Hasta La Vista palette looking at the yellow shadow it had, but it was such a disappointment. All other shades were like extremely pigmented, but the yellow shadow disappeared when you put on your eyelids. So it was such a disappointment, and I have tried different eyeshadow palettes before, but I never found a good yellow eyeshadow, so I decided to buy it. Now it's a splurge. I know it's very expensive for like a single eyeshadow, but you know, it's MAC, you can trust it. Now the pigmentation of this eyeshadow is pretty good compared to what I have used till now, but I still feel that it's a bit chalky, but you know, it's the best yellow eyeshadow I have used till date. So yeah, those were all the products that I had, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also let me know in the comment section down below which product you want me to review. I would be more than happy to do that, and all the products that I have talked about will be linked down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So yeah, take care of yourself wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.